Hi, my name is Philip. I am an employee at Worthington Industry. I am a group lead and assistant weld. My responsibilities or daily task would be keeping up with the schedules, working with the guys on the floor, make sure they are productive and safe at all times. My typical day involvement is dealing with our daily production runs. We build several different type models on our production. So therefore, we have several work orders that travel through the day, and we have to maintain quality products going through the line. Every once in a while, we'll deal with issues involving a process that has changed, and making sure the guys are up to date on what they're doing, on how they're performing, and make sure they're doing it correctly and safely at all times. A majority of my time I spend during the day is on the floor with the guys, making sure they have what they need to work with and that we're performing correctly. Minimal amount of my time is spent in the office, doing emails and having meetings and giving reports to upper management for what we do during the day and what we have achieved. Yes, with several companies I have worked with in the previous years, I've always acquired different stress levels that typically deal with employees, materials that you're dealing with, operations. So pretty much it comes with the job. There's not one job out there that's more stressful than the next. Everyone has their own. It's just different locations have different type of stress as far as getting product built and how they build it. To start in this industry and become in this position, I advise people to start learning how to weld, basically coming up from the bottoms up. That's where I was trained and taught and came up through. I was learning welding, and that's what I advise other people to do. What we're looking for is experience with the products or experience with the processes, and that's welding. I come up through welding, then I progress towards becoming more involved with management to help develop my skills towards helping lead and produce quality through our products. Other skills that I have acquired here recently were more computer skills. The best part of my job is that I know I'm helping others through the industry that we work with. I enjoy helping new upcoming welders learn new skills and develop new crafts and teach them more fundamentals on what to look for, how to perform themselves, and to exceed higher than where they are at today. See, the worst parts of my job would probably be entailed with having to deal with meetings and pulls me away from the guys on the line that I absolutely enjoy being involved with. And the other part would be just probably having to deal with typical everyday issues that occur with shortages of something or behind delays that typically happen. So my final advice would be being prepared, moving into management, that you will pursue yourself away from the craft you started with, and that's your hands-on skills, and it'll develop you into a higher level of skill requirements to maintain other people's skill levels. So as long as you're willing to work with others and advance yourself further, that would be my advice. The other final advice I have is that pursuing through schools, you check out your vocational programs that are offered in your schools, through high schools, some middles, that you can actually pursue a career at a younger age and start developing your skills and enhancing them so you can actually enter the workforce more advanced than the rest that wait to the last minute.